Inner Health Sanctum. 5 amazing benefits of rose water for your skin. Taking care of your skin is of the utmost importance if you wish to have clear, beautiful skin to show off. Unfortunately, the choices that we make when it comes to beauty products only make matters worse for our skin, as they contain chemicals that can cause inflammation. But if you're the type of person who is leaning towards natural beauty products, you've probably come across rosewater. Rosewater is basically harvested from the flower, rose, itself, so if you love gazing and smelling this flower, there is no reason for you to not apply it on your skin. What benefits can you get from using rosewater? Here are some that you should know about. 1. Fights of acne. If you are prone to acne breakouts or blemishes, soothe your skin with some rosewater. This beauty product can help tighten your skin while at the same time remove any excess oil, dirt, and other debris that can clog the pores of your skin. 2. It helps you relax. Most of us experience a long day at work where we just want to sit down on the sofa and do nothing but watch TV all night. If you want to give yourself a nice treat after a tedious day, add some rosewater to your bath and soak for 30 to 45 minutes. The scent of rose will help calm you down while the rosewater works on easing the tension from your body. For sure, you will feel right as rain afterwards. 3. It can tone your skin. Another benefit of using rosewater as part of your beauty regimen is that it can be used as a toner. Toners are typically used to help you remove excess makeup and oil residue on your skin while bringing back the natural pH levels of your skin. What's great about rosewater is that it works well with different types of skin. So if you are looking for a toner that is easy on the skin, then this one is worth checking out. 4. It can reduce puffy eyes. If you've had a late night or watched a movie that made you bawl your eyes out, chances are you woke up with your eyes all puffed up. Fortunately, with a little help from rosewater, you will be able to reduce the swelling just in time for you to go to work. All that you have to do is soak some cotton balls in rosewater, then place them on your eyes for 10 minutes or so. You will find that the swelling has gone down considerably afterwards. 5. It's good for your hair. Dry and dull hair can be a huge letdown, especially when you want to look your best. Fortunately, you can help nourish your hair easily with the help of rosewater. What's great about rosewater is that it has the ability to nourish and moisturize your hair so that it will go back to its natural shine in no time. That's 5 amazing benefits of rosewater for your skin. If you like watching this video, please share it to your friends.